This is a tour of my garden. These are pepper plants. Hot habaneros. These are ghost peppers. These are green and red peppers. My tomatoes. These are, she has 6 tomato plants here. They're all Roma tomatoes. Over here, I have slicing veggie tomatoes to make sandwiches and to eat out of. 2 cages here. Over here we have pea plants. I need to weed it and get the sunflowers out, but you can see there's some pea plants there. I need to put cages around them. Pea plants there. More pea plants on the other side of the fence. Over here are cherry tomatoes. I forgot to water these today, so I'm going to have to water them this evening. There's cherry tomatoes. These are all cherry tomatoes. I'll water them and then put straw around them tomorrow. They really need to be watered. I forgot they were out here, honestly. Those are cherry tomatoes. Pumpkins. These are pumpkins. We'll give those water tomorrow. And over here are cucumbers. Cucumber vines. Which also need water and to be weeded. Then I have something up in here too. I need to weed that tomorrow as well. And then over here we have lettuce. There's lettuce there. Radishes, which are so good. Homegrown radishes are the best. Then over here is corn. Corn's getting really tall. This is sweet corn. More sweet corn. Corn on the cob. This is decorative Indian corn. Oh, it needs to be weeded, but it's all in decorative Indian corn. Then what's left of it, over here is asparagus with some dill growing up in it. There's this asparagus plant, and there's dill growing up there. This is my garden 2025. Oh, and the rhubarb. I forgot the rhubarb. Over here I had the blueberry plants I planted. There were a few blueberries there, 3 of them. There's one there. And I don't know that these are doing anything. Those might have died. But over here is the rhubarb. There's the rhubarb. And that's my garden.